We've all been there. You finish a task, check it off your daily list, and then realize you have to open a separate project tracker just to log that exact same progress. It takes a lot of mental energy to constantly jump between different notes, manually copying updates to make sure your workspace stays current. This diagram illustrates the problem. Right now, your task list and your project tracker act like isolated islands. They're in the same space, but they have no way of knowing what's happening on the other side. This isolation forces you to duplicate administrative work, wasting valuable time. The solution is a direct connection. By building a bridge between these islands, information flows back and forth without typing it twice. In technical terms, this connected structure is called a relational database. This diagram shows exactly how it works. A relational database is simply a set of lists that have been given the ability to talk to each other. In Notion, building this bridge is a straightforward process that doesn't require any coding or advanced technical skills. This single concept is the key to building a workspace that stays in sync automatically. Let's move away from the metaphor and look at how this works inside Notion. This is a view of our projects database. It's where we keep our big picture goals, like building a website or planning a vacation. And this is our tasks database. These are the small, actionable items, like buying a domain or booking your flights. Keeping your big goals and your daily actions in separate lists provides the structural foundation we need to start connecting them. To start building, we go to the tasks database and click the plus icon to add a new column. When the menu opens, we look for the option called Relation, which is identified by this diagonal arrow icon. By selecting this, you're beginning to lay the bridge between your two lists. Notion will then ask you which database it should lead to. We'll choose our projects database as the destination. Here is a crucial step. Make sure you toggle on the setting that says Show on Projects. If we don't turn this on, the information can only flow one way. Activating this ensures that both lists can stay updated at the same time. Now let's go to our specific task, Book Flights, to see the bridge in action. We click into the empty Relation column right next to that task. This opens a drop-down menu that lists all of our available projects. We can see Plan Vacation sitting right there. Once we click it, the connection is locked into place. Because these items are now linked, you never have to manually type the project name next to this task again. To see the real benefit, let's walk across to the other side of the bridge and look at the projects database. In our Plan Vacation row, we can see that Book Flights has automatically appeared. The information traveled across the bridge for us. This connection works both ways. Clicking the project name from your task list opens the project details, and clicking the task from the project list opens the task details. This ensures you have the full context for your work no matter which list you're looking at. To build this yourself, start with 2 separate lists for your different types of information. Use a relation property to create the bridge between them. Choose your destination and make sure the two-way sync is toggled on. By snapping these blocks together, you've created a system that manages the tedious parts of your workflow automatically. Mastering this digital bridge means your tasks and projects stay in sync, so you can focus on getting things done instead of just managing your lists.